काला जादू कर दिया तेरी अख सोनी पूरा लंदन हिलता हिले.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog, and today I'm going to share simple beauty look for beginners. So let's begin. First of all, we will apply base. So for base I have taken BB cream. Here I'm not going to use any foundation since it's a beginner makeup. So I'm going to take very small amount of BB cream. BB cream is from Sugar. You can see I have taken very small amount. So into this I'm going to add 1 drop of Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter, as you can see, and the shade is light pink color. I have purchased it from Nykaa. So I am going to add 1 drop of it and I'll mix it properly. So always remember guys, in makeup less is more, so always try to apply very less makeup. So now I'll mix it. Here I am not going to use any blender. I will apply it with the help of my fingertip, as you can see. So I am going to apply it all over my face, my neck region and under my eyes. Focus on your dark areas. Simply dab it. And now you can see I am done with blending. Now it's time for eyebrow. So for eyebrow I have taken brown eyebrow pencil. This is from Maybelline. So I'm going to first brush my eyebrow with the help of brusher. So as you can see, I'm brushing my eyebrow in upward motion. And now I am applying it stroke by stroke. Don't paint your eyebrow, just apply in a stroke manner. And after this I am again going to brush it. So that it can be look evenly. So here I am almost done with my eyebrow. You can see it is looking very natural since I have used brown eyebrow color. Now I am going to apply base on my eyes. So here I have taken light brown color and I am going to apply it following crease of my eyes. Guys, if you are applying eyeshadow, then you should apply base for it, because base always enhances your eyeshadows. This eyeshadow palette is from Maybelline. So for eyeshadow here I have taken nude color which is little bit shimmery, and I am gently going to apply it on my eyes. After this I am going to apply mascara, which is from Faces Canada. I am going to apply it in upward motion, slightly rubbing it. So you can see the difference between eyes. So now here I am not using kajal. I am using again that base one eyeshadow, which is light brown in color. And I will apply it with the help of brush because obviously I can't use fingertip over here. I am gently applying it on my lid. And I will apply mascara over here. I always apply mascara on my upper eyelash and lower eyelash as well. So as you can see, my eyes are simply looking beautiful without applying any kajal or eyeliner. Now it's time for lipstick. So for lipstick I have taken dark nude color, which is from Sugar, and I'm going to apply it following shape of my lips. I have taken little bit of darker side because my eye makeup is very light. Now it's time to highlight. This is my favorite part. So for highlighter I am using blush on palette of Maybelline, and I'm going to apply it on my forehead region, cheekbones, nose, chin and upper lip. And I'm going to merge it with the help of brush. So as you can see, my face is looking very fresh and shiny. Now I am applying blush on. So for blush on I have taken peach color from the same palette, which is from Maybelline. So I am applying it on upward motion. So guys, I am almost done with my makeup. This makeup is very good for teenagers and beginners. So you can see my skin looks simply beautiful. If you follow this makeup, obviously you will look very elegant and innocent. So guys, if you really like my video, then please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
काला जादू कर दिया तेरी अख सोहणिए पूरा लंदन हिलदा हिले जो तेरा लक सोहणिए ओ मुंडियां नू